and welcome to Cooking with Kid Troy Christmas Edition. On today's episode, we'll be making Christmas cookies. Let's get started. So we have 7 ounces of shortening, and now we're gonna add the liquid ingredients. That was easy. There we go. I don't care. Okay. Okay, that was much better. What's that? Hey, what's that white stuff? What's that
white thing is called the chalaza.
Oh, that's part from the
That's
chicken.
part of the egg. That's how it grows and becomes a chicken later.
Aw,
If it was
man.
fertilized. That's a whole other topic. That's a different show.
Aw. Ready, steady, go! Goodbye, chicken! And now let's add the vanilla. Bye, vanilla. And now let's add the lemon juice. Up. Bye, lemon juice. And now we add the dry ingredients. First, I'll do the sugar. And now it's gonna do the rest. I'm sorry, sweetness, but you just have to go into sugar. I meant the cookies. Goodbye. Bye, sugar. It won't be now. Go, daddy, go. Go, daddy. Okay.
Oh, you want to add that one? Go ahead. Now we add baking powder.
Baking powder. Here you go. And you go. And now.
Now we cut it on low. Oh, raise the bowl up.
There.
There you go.
And then stir. We're gonna kill all the ingredients.
Whose child are you?
I'm your child.
Maybe.
That dough looks great, Dad.
Yep. All right, let's take it off.
Now we're gonna give the sugar some Christmas spirit. Two drops of that.
Nope, not in there.
That.
Just in here, and then red in there.
Oh yeah. And then did in 2 drops. Just this. Now here's the fun part. Now we get to stir it. Stir it like a wrecking ball.
You gotta add some more food color.
Yeah, that's true.
Do 2 more.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I did the red, so my dad is doing the green. Go, daddy, go, go. I came in like a wrecking ball. So now we give the sugar some Christmas spirit. Now we're gonna put the cookie dough on the pan. It looks like that's about enough. Okay. Don't you think this will be goodie, Dad? that we panned the cookies, let's dip them in the sugar. And you go.
Roll it around. Good job.
It's good. It's good.
How many are you doing?
6, and on the green one is 6.
6 on the green and 6 on the red?
Yes, that equals 12. So now we put them in the oven. This is very dangerous. Ah! There we go. So here's our holiday cookies with some Christmas spirit and lemon glaze on top. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below and subscribe, and I'll see you all next year. Bye!